Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today I have a Nykaa haul. It's a very small haul. I have not got a lot of things, but there are certain things that are essential to me. There are certain things that I wanted to try because they're very expensive and I wanted to kind of review it for you, because sometimes I just want to review some really luxe brands that are hugely popular but will cost you a fortune. So I have a lot of things over here. When it comes to luxe products, I have just one, but it is a very popular product. I have everything here in this box for you, and I'm quickly going to show you some of my really favorite stuff and some things that I will be trying for the first time. The first thing that I want to talk to you guys about a bunch of Kama Ayurveda products. Now let me quickly tell you that I have done a Kama Ayurveda's full haul video a few years back, and to be very honest, I do not really like Kama Ayurveda's all the products. Having said that, it doesn't really mean that I do not like Kama Ayurveda as a brand. There are a lot of things that I simply dwell on Kama Ayurveda. Like for example, this is one thing. This is Kama Ayurveda's Rose Jasmine Face Cleanser, and this is one of my holy grail products. Minute I feel like my skin is behaving nasty, my skin is breaking out, it is not good, I switch to this one. I do not often go for this because it is expensive. This is priced at rupees 850 for 100 ml, which is not a lot of quantity. It is very expensive compared to some of the really affordable brands. I'm gonna call the Body Shop affordable in front of Kama Ayurveda because the Body Shop actually offers good quantity products than Kama. So this is one product that I would of course keep on buying because I simply love this product. This is amazing, super good for every skin type, and especially if you have sensitive skin. I cannot really stop buying this. Next product that I love is this Kama Ayurveda's Mridul Soap Free Face Cleanser, but you can also use this as a scrub. So it comes in this kind of a packaging. Good that they have given a screw lid, because pehle they used to come in a flip lid, and that was very scary because the product that we have is powder, and whenever you kind of flip the lid open, it would just kind of fly everywhere. So this is good. It comes with a wooden spatula or a wooden spoon actually to take out the product. So it's a very good product. This is 650 rupees ka 40 grams, which in my opinion is a okay price for the quantity, because you really need very small quantity. I do not scrub my face with this every single day. I use it maybe twice or thrice a week, and I do not like to rub it. I just apply it, keep it for a little while, and then gently scrub and rinse it off. It's very good. It is genuinely very good. Now they also have another product. I'm going to talk about one product of Kama Ayurveda which is highly raved, and I will leave a picture of it. It is called as Nirmah. It is orangey color powder, and you make a paste of it, apply it on your face, and it apparently is said that it controls acne. It did not do that job for me. In fact, it broke me out. So every time I applied it, the next day I used to get so many pimples on my face, and I thought, no, this product cannot be wrong because this is so highly raved about. How can this be the reason? So I gave it a try. I gave it tries after every single month I tried it, and every single month I noticed that the minute I use it, the second day I get breakouts. So it was definitely the product. I threw it off even though it was hell expensive. So that did not suit me. There are certain more products from Kama that do not suit me. So to each their own. I'm going to talk about the holy grails that I really like. Now next product that I have is Eladi Hydrating. I hope that it is how it is pronounced. So those were the only two products that I got from Kama. Rest I got as a sample. The first would be this Eladi Hydrating Ayurvedic face cream. I did not try it. I haven't tried, so can't really say anything about it. So this is for 100 rupees I think, but I got it for free. Then I got this Kumkubadi Brightening Ayurvedic face scrub. Again, this one is highly raved about, especially if you're getting married. They say that you start using it. I did scrub my face again, I got breakouts, but a lot of people have benefited because they have tons and loads and tons of reviews. So do not try this product or any product from Kama since they are expensive without actually buying their testers. I have heard that in stores they give you testers of whatever you want to try. So go ahead, take their testers, try it, and only then you buy, because it did not work for me. This is a very raved about product. It has tons and tons of reviews. A lot of people have spoken about it. It did not suit me at all. Then again, I spoke about this. This is Nirmah. This is the one that I was talking of. This is the anti-acne face pack, and I saw Debashri Banerjee using it and she raved it. Maybe it worked for her. It does not work for me at all. I mean, I'm so scared of the product that I will not be using it on my face, because if I use it, I'm going to get a breakout, and I'm talking with 1 year of experience of trying this one. But yes, our skin behaves differently with different products, and we all are different. So you know, so what works for one person probably might not work for me, or might not work for you. So you have to give it a try before actually, you know, trusting anybody's review. So that is my one tip to you guys. Next, again, this came in a sample size. This was free to me. This is Pure Rose Water by Kama. I highly love this product. This is one of the best products. Now, I don't remember, but I think they're 100 ml. Yeah, their 100 ml bottle comes in a plastic packaging, while this one is a glass packaging. This is so cute. I would genuinely pay for this product. This is very small quantity, but this is for 100 rupees. This is 8 ml of their product. And if you want to try a genuine rose water spray, I think Kama is the one you should try. I really love their product. These three are my holy grails: the Rose and Jasmine face cleanser, then the Mridul face cleanser again, and this rose water from Kama. So these three products are my holy grails. Rest I have used a lot, but I do not like them so much for the price because they're very expensive. Next, I got this primer by Nykaa. This is Prep Me Up Face Primer, and this is for 499 rupees. If you're looking for affordable but a decent primer, I think you can go for this one. This is really nice. Not really nice, but yes, works as a primer for normal to dry skin. Even oily skin people can use it, because I have oily skin during the summers. I definitely use it. I like it. It works as a normal primer. It is not the best primer in the world, of course. It works fine for the price that they are offering this at. So yeah, that is Nykaa's primer. I heard so much about this product. This is Lakme's 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Foundation. I randomly picked up 02, which is beige vanilla for me. This product matches my skin to the T, but I do not like this foundation. It doesn't do anything with the coverage, even though it doesn't do anything at all. It just gives you a really nice, you know, silicone-y finish. You just feel something on your face, but I do not think it does anything. I don't like this product at all. I would not recommend it if you have spots or anything, because it gives zero coverage literally, and it has so many reviews, but it didn't work for me. So I will not really recommend it. Next, I got this. This is my best foundation. I love this, and I've been hoarding up on this one like a crazy during the sale, because generally this is priced at like, I think 799 rupees. Generally this is priced at 750, but I got it at 450. This is L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Demi Matte Finish foundation. This is one of the best foundation. My shade is 105. I would highly recommend this foundation, especially for people with oily skin. Next, I got this bronzer. So bronzers can be very expensive. I wanted something very affordable. Went with the Rimmel one. This is Rimmel London Natural Bronzer, and this is in the shade 025 Sun Glow. I liked it mainly for the price, and also because Rimmel London is a decent brand. If you do not mind a little bit of specks of gold in it, I think it does have a little bit of speck of gold. I can't see it right now, but it is a really good kind of a bronzer, a very affordable one. Generally every bronzer is very expensive, so I would definitely recommend it. It's very pigmented as well, kind of decently pigmented. Next, I got this eyeliner. This is Maybelline's New York the Colossal Liner in the shade black. Now just let me know that every time you get this, it just dries off. It just dries off. I don't know why. Even this one, I feel that it is dried. The quantity is less, but then I got it for 270 rupees, and I really like this eyeliner. It has a good grip. It is very jet black. Yeah, so this is a nice liner. Then I got this matte lipstick. This is matte lipstick in the shade Whirl. I really like the shade. It's a very beautiful, you know, brown, which is a nude color. It's going to suit all the Indian skin tones. So it is not pinky mauvey, but it is kind of a brown with a very little hint of mauve pink into it, which I like. This I find is a better option for Indian skin tone than I would say Max Meher. Max Meher just does not suit me that well. Max Whirl suits me more than Max Meher. Meher is, I think, Whirl's most popular and raved about lipstick. Now next Max shade would be Twig. I have Twig as well, which is what I'm wearing right now. I love Max Twig as well. For all the Indian skin tones, I would definitely recommend Whirl and Twig over max meher. So yeah, that is my recommendation. Next product that I got is this one. This is Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Serum, or Estee Lauder's ANR as people generally call it. This is hell expensive. I mean, a lot of people can actually pay their month's home rent if they buy the bigger size, which is a 75 ml bottle. I got the really smaller one. This is priced at I think rupees 1250 for this 7 ml bottle, and this is so little quantity. I've been using it from the past 10 days. I have not noticed any difference as of now, but they say that if you want to get the full effect of it, try it for a month. I think this will last me a month. This is a plastic bottle and the quantity is very less. It comes with a dropper. 10 days of using it every single day, probably sometimes twice a day. I have not seen a lot of difference for the price point. It is so expensive. It is not oily at all, so it's not going to give you moisturization, but it will hydrate your skin. But I have not seen any difference as such, so I cannot really talk about that. 10 days of experience hasn't been very good, so that is a lot of money for absolutely no result. So I'll let you know how I felt about it once I'm done with this product. Let me know what you think about this product. If you used it, let me know your reviews, because I know I would be the first person in the world to be talking negatively about this product after 10 days of usage. So let me know what you think about this product. So that is it in this video of mine, guys. Those were all the products that I got from Nykaa during the recent sale. Let me know what you purchased. If you have any recommendation for me, feel free to let me know that in the comment section below. Also, just be subscribed to my channel for more such videos. Hit that bell notification and hit that like button if you've liked this video. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Keep happy, keep healthy, shop smart, and I love you all so much. Bye, guys.